Hello, YouTuber woobers. I don't know what day today. It's Monday. Uh, I don't know. Anyway, it's Monday. You'll see when I load the video in July. So I'm working on. There's this pipe here. This 4-foot pipe is the one that comes with the roof mount for the wind turbine. And then I added a 7-foot length. You can see it going down. I wanted it actually to come all the way down to here, but you can see there's these, so it actually comes up to here. I guess that's not much of a difference. Not enough to try to cut the pipe down. But I really wanted it to bottom out on the bottom of this. But I drilled a hole and put a bolt in. It's a grade 8 bolt. Not grade 8, but it's the next one down. It's a little stronger than these, which are kind of weak. Just to keep the two of them together. And then really the big project today has been doing this thing here, because since I'm using a bigger blade set, I can't go with the standard length that comes with the Missouri wind kit for the blade. So it's a longer blade. It's about 4 feet ish. And the big project today was drilling these 4 holes. See them? Those 4 holes. Those 4 holes took me a good part of the day. I don't know, good hour, maybe 2, at least 2. And then I also included going to the hardware store to buy another drill bit, which didn't last worth a damn. So basically I ended up using soap to lubricate the older bit to finish drilling out the holes on the drill press. And squeaky squeaky, grind grind. But it, finally got there. But yeah. So that's today. I'm gonna spray paint this black. You start with a small drill bit and you work your way up till you get to the 3/8. But still, that lasts a little bit. I don't know where. I like to know when. When did we stop making drill bits to drill into steel? There must have been a point. Went out, bought the $10 drill bit that says steel on it. No, just laughed at me. You think I'm gonna go through that? I don't think so. I'm made from plastic and wood. Soft wood, very soft wood. Not the really tough wood, just the soft wood. That's what I'm made for. Yep. And Harbor Freight, those ones are just crap. Those titanium ones, they're just crap. Don't even waste your time on it. Don't believe the ad on titanium this, titanium that. It's crap. So as you can see, here's the PMG mounted on it. So see how it's tilted up a little bit to capture the wind, because the wind tends to curve down towards the earth as it blows. So tomorrow's video will probably see the tail on the end, and then I'll put together the blades, and I'll put together this pile of metal over here, and then they'll all go together. I won't mount the blades until it's on the roof, because otherwise it's going to be a quite the thing to get up there. And yeah, and I'll show you the setup that's going to be on the end of the pole for to mount this onto the pole. We've got a spacer here. See, now this one has a bearing on it for it, but this bearing is a little loose on that shaft. So what I'll have to do is put in a piece of either Teflon tape or plastic feeler gauges. When I used to work on high-speed printers, it was more Xerox printers, because the Xerox, the bearings were always loose on shafts. And you know, when the bearing doesn't fit the shaft right, what it'll do is, and it won't happen on this because this isn't a high-speed printer, but what happens on it when you have a bearing loose on the shaft, it'll gouge into the shaft. Anytime the bearing stalls for a second, it'll gouge the shaft and it'll wear it down to a little pencil point. I know it well. So that's it for now. It's so nice out today. I've been waiting for a nice day. Check these out over here. The rose bushes. See if I can zoom in. You know, my daughter wants me to let her weed whack my yard, but you know, I don't actually care about it being this way. And it's so nice. You know, there's so many things growing up. I mean, look at those ferns, and over here, and that chimney there. I still don't know what that's all about. And we've got the daylilies. I've got lots of daylilies. And hooked down here, here's some lamb's quarters. I could serve those up for dinner. You'll have to look up lamb's quarters, but it's a weed that actually is more nutritious than spinach, especially the spinach you get these days, because they've been so taken out of their nutrition level. So that's it for now. Ta-ta, ta-ta.